Dr. Guglin here from Hyperfit MD Age Management Center down in beautiful Milford, Connecticut. It's a beautiful Sunday today. Now, one of my clients came in for a routine lab review this week and told me she had been to the cardiologist for a routine visit. And for the first time, she had told this guy that she was on hormone replacement. He had a little bit of a hissy fit and told her, "I'm not sure I can take care of you when you're on these hormones," he said. Now let me ask this person, now if this patient of his was 45 years old and literally awash in estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, would he have the same problem? Hormone replacement therapy in the post-menopausal phase of life merely promises to continue on the cardioprotectiveness, the brain protectiveness, the fact that sexual function continues into old age, in a balanced program of hormone replacement, bioidentical isomolecular hormones, allow us to break the myths that surround this stuff. Come in and see us. First consultation is always free. The phone number is 203-890-9777.